Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is ENG 383 News. Meet me again at your dinner time today. Children's rights are the human right to free selections. Children in Thailand are free to believe. What do you think about children's rights to choose their own religions? Our reporter had covered a story for you today. The rights expert urged religious communities across the world to ensure respect for the freedom of religions or belief of children within their teaching and community practice, bearing in mind the status of the child as a rights holder. The rights of parents to freedom of religion or belief include their rights to educate their children according to their own conviction and to introduce their children to religious initiation rights. Heiner believed, UN News 2015.
Right to choose in Buddhism because my parents are all Buddhists and they tend to bring me to temple, and sometimes I think most of the time most religions make people do good and do another thing good to another people. That is not really just the case or what the religions that you really just believe in.
I was born in Buddhist family, but I became a Christian when I studied in the university. So that I start to have a personal relationship with God. So I realized that faith or a religion.
Young children haven't had opportunity to learn another religion in the world at school. Many students are determined by social custom, especially their family, such as Buddhism parents or Christian family. However, the freedom of children should be promoted by government or laws.
First of all, I think about the parents. They have to let the children to make decisions with their own. It's not just about the follow like a parent's decision. I think they have to have more sessions to students for like learning about religions, and let them have an opportunity to spend the time and going to like a real field is like with people who have different religions.
If we are talking about the rights to choose the freedom, the motivation that they are like to do the good things. If they are do the good thing, it will be great in the future because freedom of religion is considered by many people and nations.
Parents should promote the kids or making opportunity to children contribute for children's right. This is ENG 383 News. See you again next time. Good night.